I'm going to show you how to pick up stitches dropped in stockinette. Right here you can see that I've dropped all the way down here. There's one loop. I can find that loop and put my crochet hook from the bottom to the top through that loop. And look here, when you drop stitches, it looks like a ladder. To fix this, you're going to go up the rungs of the ladder. By using your crochet hook, you go under the first bottom rung, and you pull it through the loop. You've added one stitch back on. Find the next rung, put your crochet hook under, and then you can grabbing the yarn, put your hook beak down. See how it looks like a little bird's beak? Put bird beak down to pull through the loop on the hook. Next rung, grabbing that rung, pulling it bird beak down through the loop. Keep doing this all the way up. Here's my last rung. When you get to this point, just put it up and on to your needle. And now you've fixed a drop stitch.